Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing an unbagging slash unboxing, whatever. I ordered a couple of diamond art projects from a new online store. It's Everyday E-Deals. They have different things, and I was wanting to get one in hopes of getting it early enough to work with the book diamond painting thing that's been going around. And I also got another one that kind of goes with the time of year based on where I live. So let me go ahead and open this up and let's see what we got, guys. I'm just going to use my handy dandy scissors here, and I'm going to open up. The bag is pretty big. These are just kind of loose inside, so I'm not really sure. Okay, so we've got that. And this. Okay, so they're not very bulky. There's no paperwork or anything like that inside. I know this stuff probably, if not most likely, came from China or whatever. But we're about to find out which is which here, because it really doesn't say. So let's just do one at a time. Let me see if I can open it without cutting, because I'd really hate to cut it, but I'm not going to be able to do that. It is really stuck. Okay, so let's just go in and try to do the skinniest little cut there to make sure that I'm not cutting anything important. Just like that. I ordered one that is book related and another, and that's this one, that is all about, for me at least anyway, the idea behind this was to kind of celebrate Mardi Gras. For those of you that don't know, I am from the state of Alabama, and I live in coastal Alabama, or at least up until recently. And Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, is absolutely the birthplace of Mardi Gras. And when I think of that, I think of masks and things like that, and fancy headdresses and things like that. So that's what I chose this one for. I wanted more than one, and I wanted something that was like this. This is what I would call a bite size. It's a 40 by 50 according to this, but I'm sure that that's just this, or actually the entire thing is 40 by 50, but that doesn't mean that the actual diamond painting is that big. It's a little smaller. You got a couple of inches on each side, and then maybe 2 or 3 inches on the top and bottom. So it's really rolled up tight. There's lots of creases in it that I'm probably going to have to work on. I'm pretty sure it's just, yes, it is the kind that has the sticky adhesive. It is not poured glue. But guys, these were really cheap, and I was just kind of, interested in seeing what kind of quality, especially for something that's bite size. I wanted something that was, cheaply produced and wasn't very expensive. So, I mean, you're not going to get the quality from a place like this that you would get from, like Diamond Art Club, or even from Home Goods, or not Home Goods, but Hobby Lobby. So I just wanted to kind of look at this. Let's look at the drills and see what kind of quality we're looking at there. Okay, you do get your little kit here with them, and it's going to be kind of rattly. But they're neatly packed. Let's see what kind of quality we're looking at, though. Okay, they actually are pretty good quality. I don't see a lot of trash or anything in there. They seem to be pretty well faceted. Yeah, these drills are in good shape. You can see the colors. I just think this is going to be really a fun, this is going to be really fun, I think. But you can kind of see the way that these are numbered. They don't have the DNC number. They have the just the number for the way they're coded on here. But you can see all of the different colors. I really like that color. That's so pretty. I don't see any ABs at all. That one has a few black mixed in. Let's see. Oh, there's a couple of those and a couple of those. I don't see any ABs in this at all. Now, I could, if I chose to, I could go back and add in some of those for this particular painting. But, guys, this is just a bite size for me to do some things before I really buckle down on a big one for the spring season. So, I'm actually really excited with this right now. Oh, and there are just a few more. Let's see. We have some browns, kind of a mustard brown, a green, and this again. So yeah, I think it's going to be okay, guys. I think that it'll be fun, just a quick one to work on, and I think I'll enjoy it. Let me pick this up and put it away, and we will open the other one. Okay, here we go with the next one, and we do have the kit inside here just like with the last one. So let's go ahead and get this. I have cut this little bubble wrap, cushioned bubble wrap. Okay, this is the one I was really excited about this one, guys. I think that it will be so fun. Right now, everybody's working on a book related, and it can be anything that you think of as book related. And I saw this one, and it's basically, it looks like, you know, a room in someone's home, but you have the bookshelf with books on it. You have the book that from the perspective that it looks like you're reading a book with your coffee, with your little cozy blanket, and you're just relaxing. You have your little tea or coffee pot next to you. This was very, to me, it was just very cozy for this time of year. It looked like something fun. It is going to be the thing that I start on first. There are 24 colors. I think that's about what is on the last one. And yeah, everything, you know, the one thing I will say is that it is pretty well made for the kind of adhesive that it is. It's not lifting at all on either one of them. And the you can see very clearly the symbols, letters, those kinds of things. They're marked very well. So it's easy, you know, to kind of see what you've got going on here. Let me look at the drills on this one. I expect them to be, you know, similar in quality. I love the colors and the idea behind this particular art. It just seemed fun to me. So again, they're just numbered according to, you know, 1 through 24 on the side there. So there is no DMC color reference, but I'm sure if you save them, which I have not been saving. I had started out, when I first started diamond painting, I was saving the leftovers and that sort of thing, but I've just not had an issue with that. And I know that there are plenty of Etsy shops that I can support, and I can go, and if I need a particular color, if I run out, I can either let the company that I ordered from know and get some extras, or I can just get from, you know, get some from an Etsy shop. But anyway, here are the colors. I love that purple, again, that eggplant purple. Some grays, pinks, oranges. I love, this is a periwinkle, really pretty. I don't see any ABs. I love that pale pink. Let's see here. Some browns, mustard yellow, another purple, another green. We have this one, which is unusual. I'm not sure why it's separate, but I will probably, for this one, since there's, you see the little fairy lights that are in here, and you have some little like lantern style strung lights and things like that, I'm probably going to use an AB like from Michael's or whatever to do that on here, just to kind of add a little sparkle to it. But you know, it's not anything you have to have. Again, these drills are in really good shape. Yep, it's just messed up. That's the problem. That's the reason they added it in, because for some reason or another it got skipped. So that works for me. At least they added it. There are no ABs on this, but these drills are pretty good quality from what I can tell. You know, they're pretty well faceted, not any trash in the bags like sometimes you'll see in cheaper you know, kits. So I'm really pleased, guys. I am really, really pleased. I'm going to start this one today, I do believe. And I'm hoping very soon to do a whip and chat with you guys. And I'm sure it'll be on this one. So you can be looking for that to go up soon. But I just wanted to do this quick little haul video with you to show you both this one and this one here, which is really cool. I love the colors in this, the reds and the pinks, fuchsias, and then these beautiful royal blue colors. I think this mask is gorgeous, and this was just my own way of having something that kind of goes along with Mardi Gras, which will be coming up in February. Well, it's Mardi Gras season now, but Mardi Gras parades were canceled this year. But you can still celebrate with your king cake and your Fat Tuesday. You can still do all of that stuff. But anyway, guys, that is my haul. I hope that you enjoyed watching just to kind of see what kind of quality I have with these two things that I purchased. It took about a week and a half to get these. I don't know if that's normal or not. But yeah, I was really excited to see the alert on my phone letting me know it had been delivered. And I am excited to get started. Guys, if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you want to see more things on diamond painting or planner related stuff, I am back to filming regularly again on my channel. So please feel free to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.